cozy, hearty, and ready in 30 minutes. This one-pot sausage soup with mixed vegetables is a perfect weeknight dinner. No fuss, all flavor. If you're new here, my name is Lei. I am a passionate home cook who loves to try new recipes around the world. Let's start by cutting vegetables. Dice carrots, celery followed by potatoes. Then onion, sliced garlic, and rough chop fresh parsley. Try to cut them all to the same size for even cooking. Then brown the sausage in a large pot with olive oil. Break down the sausage to as large or small pieces as you like. Mine are very chunky. Sauté until both sides are brown. Next, add onion, garlic, and sauté for a few minutes until aromatic. Add oregano, paprika, fennel seeds, fresh rosemary. I ripped them into smaller pieces. Dried thyme, and mix. Then add all the veggies, some fresh parsley, and season with salt and pepper. Mix again. Now the liquid with crushed tomato with juice and store-bought chicken stock. Cover to simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. While the soup is simmering, slice a French baguette into halves. Season with butter, dry garlic mix, and salt. Turn on the oven under broil and broil the bread for 2 minutes on each side. Keep a close eye because they can get burned in a heartbeat. Time to serve. Ladle soup into a bowl, topped with chopped parsley, and serve with crusty garlic bread. And that's it. Nourishing, colorful bowl of sausage soup made in one pot. A comforting meal for any day of the week. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a soup lover. More one-pot meals coming your way. Thanks for watching. A good addition to this soup would be one of my salads. I'll link to those if you're interested in the pairing. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.